I've just finished a complete rebuild on my 951cc Rotax engine in my Sea-Doo jet ski. Summer's coming and it's looking like a great day to run the engine in. This boat launching ramp is south of Perth in Rockingham, and it's a very sheltered area, sheltered by Garden Island. So meeting up with my friend Shane, who's just bought a new jet ski, and some other friends who are going for a dive and doing some fishing. Shane's got his 2 dogs on board and they're loving the new jet ski. And there's Ross and John and John's boat waiting for us to catch up and head out. I must say that the almost 1000cc 2-stroke engine on my Sea-Doo is running well, and it's 19 years old. As I've completely rebuilt the engine, I guess I could say it's only 1 day old. Towards the end of this video, I've put in a short clip of Shane's purchase of his new jet ski from a guy called Jet Ski Eddie. I really hope you enjoy it.